Guys, I just messed up big time. I was driving Hammerhead and the axle snapped. I don't know how to tell AJ. Oh, here he comes.
Alright guys, I'm ready to drive the coat.
This is our Go Kart Hammerhead, and that's right, we snapped our axle.
But it's okay, because we got a new one. Look at that hunky, shiny piece of metal. And the new axle's there too, I guess.
Alright, we got the new axle ready, and it's time to take off the old one. Let's do it.
Alright, let's move this thing over. Oh, we lost one tire, but it's still really heavy back here.
It's a whole wheel lighter, AJ.
I never had a problem with the wheel weight. Alright, let's get to it.
Now you're probably wondering how this happened, where's the video at, and well, this is all we got.
Kyson, what did you do?
I don't think we can fix this one later. I was just drifting around, and then the tire flew past my face, and next thing you know, I was on the ground. But don't worry, we're okay, and we got a new axle. This is crazy. Look at how much bigger this new axle
You could fit the old axle in the new axle.
Oh my gosh.
Let's put this thing on here. Okay, we're definitely mounting it below it.
Yeah, this is honestly slightly concerning. If you want this to look how it used to and function as good as it can, you have to make some big changes.
Despite the bad news, we kept our spirits up. Woo! And kept our sights set on getting Hammerhead back to its prime.
All right, here's our plan. We're gonna weld a piece of tubing on top and cut part of our existing frame below so that the bearings can sit at the right spot to keep our ride height as close as possible to how it was before.
We got some welding done and Hammerhead is back on 4 wheels. Let's go.
We got our axle mounts welded, but we also welded a new mount for our engine. This is because we got ourselves a torque converter and we needed a little bit more room for that.
For those who don't know, a torque converter is this shiny metal object connected to our engine. It takes in the engine's power and transports it by a belt to this spring that manages it and gives us optimal power to our axle at any speed.
All right, so we have all of the drivetrain stuff officially done on Hammerhead, and it is now pretty much able to drive.
We just need brakes. I mean, after that, we'll be ready to go.
Yeah, but I mean, we're gonna be safe. We're not gonna drive it just yet.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe just a little bit.
I know, we can't help ourselves. It's been a long time.
Yeah.
But you can go first.
What? Wait, what?
If you're enjoying the video so far, please subscribe. It's totally free and it really helps us out. Now that we got a taste of Hammerhead's new axle, we're ready to get these brakes mounted. First, we drilled the holes where the new brake caliper mounts are going. Then, we started mounting the caliper and spent over an hour trying to properly align the brakes. We even had to grind out more space to properly fit the caliper. But finally, the wait was over.
All right, Hammerhead is completely ready for the first test drive with everything put together.
And as a test driver, I'm scared.
You'll be fine.
All right, let's do it. Are you ready? All right, let's go. Okay, everything's good, everything's good. Brake force, let's go. Yes,
Brakes work.
let's do it. Not trying to drift it yet, that's how it broke in the first place.
How's it?
It does not stop. I mean, no, it does stop. It does stop. Dude, it just does not stop going. You ready for your turn?
I'm so ready.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. What the heck? There's a drift. Oh no, here comes the drift. This is a little one. Okay, I think. This is wild. Torque converters are wild. I cannot believe it. Wow. All right, we are in the neighborhood and it's time for Hammerhead's first official drive since having the new axle.
I'm so excited.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
After many months of work, it's time to make our dreams reality.
Okay, good. Getting a good feeling in the brakes. Oh, it's so smooth. my goodness, I love this thing. Oh, Hammerhead, let loose, baby. Let's go. Yeah.
Holy crap, that looks fun. How is it, dude?
Incredible. That was amazing. It was a million times better than it used to be. All right, it's your turn. It's your turn.
It's my
It's your turn.
Unfortunately, despite my excitement, my turn got cut a little short.
Keep going faster and faster. What? Well, speed, here we go. Let's go, Hammerhead. This is so much better. Holy crap. Oh, I lost brake. My brakes. My brakes. Brake failure? Yeah, but now they're fine.
Oh, did you go for top speed?
I did go for top speed. I went past the turn to get it
You
a little
did.
bit more stretched.
Kyson, what was the top speed?
Our top speed was
42.6!
Even after our misfortune, we wanted more. So we took Hammerhead out again, and we were ready for redemption. And then we heard scraping metal. So sadly, we cut our losses before we did any more damage.
Since the last clip you guys saw, we since fixed everything, gave it a new paint job, and we're ready to race again.
Oh yeah, definitely. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more videos with Hammerhead. We hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.